Meta Smart Glasses audio distorted during music playback. Step 1. Check Bluetooth connection strength. Ensure your Meta Smart Glasses are within close proximity to your connected device, such as phone or tablet. A weak Bluetooth signal can lead to audio distortion. Try moving closer to the source device or removing any obstacles between them. Step 2. Restart your connected device and glasses. Sometimes a simple restart of both your phone or tablet and your Meta Smart Glasses can resolve temporary software glitches causing audio issues. For the glasses, place them in their charging case for a few seconds, then take them out. Step 3. Test with different audio sources. To determine if the issue is with the glasses or the audio file or streaming service, try playing music from a different app or a different track. If distortion only occurs with a specific content, the source might be the problem. Step 4. Forget and repair Bluetooth connection. Go to the Bluetooth settings on your connected device. Forget or unpair your Meta Smart Glasses and then repair them as if connecting for the first time. This can refresh the Bluetooth profile. Step 5. Check for firmware updates via MetaView app. Ensure your Meta Smart Glasses have the latest firmware installed. Open the MetaView app, connect your glasses, and navigate to the settings connection to check for and apply any available software updates, which often include bug fixes for audio performance.